So hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today we are solving one basic problem for first year, for second year in any stream from BCA BTech who are going to starting their programming journey. So that's basically a number problem. This is an Armstrong number. I usually code in C++. So let's see how they work. Like first of all, we include bit slash std dot 8 using namespace std int main. Okay. At first here we can take one number, remainder, sum equals to 0 and temp variable, the temporary variable. At first we take a input. Okay, so after that we run a while loop. When n greater than 0, then we can create, here we declare that the temporary variable equals to the number which I take input. Okay, so after that reminder equals to, we know that the reminder formula, that a reminder equals to number modulo 10. After that sum equals to sum plus, which is reminder will come, then we can integrate the r into r into r, which is basically r cube. After that we again declare the number equals to number by 10. Okay, so if the temporary variable equals to the sum, then we can call it is Armstrong number. Now, okay, or else it is not Armstrong number. So now we run the code. At first, it's the mistake of the syntax. Like yes, so at first we take a input like 2. We know that 2 is not an Armstrong number. Then we can run again 153 is Armstrong number. So what is Armstrong number? Now I declare how the code works. Armstrong number is basically like, for example, 153 is Armstrong number. Why 153 is Armstrong number? 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube is basically equals to 153. Like a 1 cube of 3 is 1 and 5 cube of 5, 25 into 5, 125, 125 into 9 into 20, 27, 155, 125 plus 27 equals to 153 plus 1. Okay, 153. So how the codes work? At first we take an input like n is here, n is n is 153. Okay, which I take input. Okay, so after that there is a r variable and sum equals to 0, and this is a 1 temporary variable. At first we take an input. Okay, so here we take an input of 153. After that the temporary variable is converted to n, like temp now equals to 153. Okay, so after that the while loop will run after up to 153 greater than 0. Okay, after that the code move to the next, the 11 line of code. Then remainder equals to number which is 153, the modulo 10. We know how the modulo calculated. I basically say the easy trick like 153. If I the 0 is basically when come out in this case the like 153 15.3. Okay, basically the 0 come out in this after 5. Okay, so we take when someone says tell me the modulo of this code, then you say only this number after point. Okay, suppose another example like a 65 modulo 10, so then it will be 6.5. We take only 5. Okay, so this is an easy trick to find the any modulo or modulus. So okay, so after that here we take only 3. Okay, 3 is a reminder. Then move to sum equals to 0. Here is sum already declared as 0 plus r is remainder 3. 3 into 3 into 3 means here sum equals to 27. Okay, then move to the this line. Number is basically 153. 153 divided by 10. We know the 153 divided by 10 only is how much? 153 divided by 10. It is basically 15. Okay, so after that we can take another example like then we move to the next another line of the loop is basically here. Okay, so it's basically the 153.3. It is basically we're going to take the only before the point. Okay, that is 50. So now the number is basically now is 15. Okay, the number is now 15. It's moved to again in the first line. Now this will be removed. This only is 15 greater than 0. It is true. Then remainder equals to n. N is 15. 15 modulo 10 equals to, we know the easy trick, that is 1.5. Only we take 5 only. This basically it says the modulo. Okay, the percent this side. Then this 5 is stored in the remainder. Then we know the formula here, sum equals to 27 plus r into r into r. R is basically 5. So 5 into 5, 25, 25 into 25, 125. Okay, so it's basically 7 and 5, 12, 1, and 2 5, 152. Okay, this is basically the sum. Okay, so after that, the sum is basically 152. Then the number, what is the number? Number is 15. Right now, 15 divided by 10, we know only is 1. So answer is 1. Then number is at least 1. Then move to this line. 1 greater than 0 is true. Then move to remainder. The number is currently 1. 1 modulo 10. We know 1 modulo 10 is basically 1. Okay. Basically 0. The easy trick 0.1. We take only 1. Okay. Then we move to sum. Sum is basically right now 152 equal to 52. Then this is R is basically the 1 reminder. So in this case 152 plus R into R into 1 is 1 into 1 into 1 also 1, so equals to 153. Now the code move to this line. Number is basically right now the number is 1. 1 divided by 10 is basically, we know, is basically 0. Okay. So the number is currently 0. 0 greater than 0 is false. Then move to here, and the temporary variable is currently, so this is basically 153. 153 153 equals to sum is 153 here. This is sum, so 153. So this is Armstrong number. So thank you guys for watching this video. Keep subscribe if you understand these questions, and tell me in the comment sections, and then how you understand this question. So thank you. It's basically some of the service based company, when you keep the interview on service based company, it might be asked in interview. Thank you.